It's time for a morning harvest of cabbage. Look how beautiful y'all are. Oh boy. Yeah, so I better come on out here and harvest you guys before the pests come out. Since it's getting hot now, they can start coming out and trying to eat up on you guys. Oh, look how beautiful you are. Look at them beautiful leaves too. Still have the morning dew on you. Okay. Yes. Okay, let's get started here. Okay, let me harvest you. You look so beautiful. Oh, yes. Come on. I want to get all of these beautiful green leaves too. Oh, look at you. My first cabbage harvest of the season. Yes. You look so beautiful. Yes, you do. Okay, let me finish harvesting the rest of you guys. One more harvest. Look at you. Come on. Come on, looking good. Yes, you are. Okay. I think I have one more to get. Nice harvest of cabbage. Looking good. Nice head of cabbage. Yes, you are. Looking great. Yes, you are. I think I have one more to get. Nice harvest. Oh, you look so beautiful. I don't know if I want to let you get a little bigger or not. You're a nice size. Yes, you are. I better go on and get you. I'm going to regret it later if the bugs eat you up. Your leaves look so beautiful. Be able to eat all of this green leaves. Cook all of these green leaves. Yes. Okay, let me harvest you too. Okay, let's see. Let's see how we're gonna get you here. See if you're gonna come off. Okay, come on. Gotcha. Look how beautiful. Yes, you are. Okay. Nice cabbage. Grown in Big Mama's garden. Oh, yes. Okay. Let me put you over here with your other family members. Oh, boy. Let's see. Have 4 nice cabbage I harvest today. Yes. Looking good. Yes, you are. Now I was told, I read rather, that to be able to store them for at least a couple of months or a little more, need to put them in a cardboard box. Don't wash them. And I don't know, I should have waited till this was late in the day to harvest, I guess. Because they still kind of have the morning dew on them. And I put them in a dark, cool area and they'll last you a couple of months until you're ready to chop them up and cook them, or chop them up and put them in your freezer. Right now I'm not ready to do neither one, so I'm gonna store them in my garage for now until I'm ready to deal with. I normally cut them up and put them in the freezer until I'm ready to cook them. But looking nice, yes you are. Cabbage grown in Big Mama's garden. Looking good. Looking good, yes you are. Still have more cabbage to come. Look at that, this bed was full of cabbage. Okay, come on. Get this here up out of here. Clean this area up. I'm saving some of these good leaves to put into my super juice fertilizer. Yes. Looking good, yes you are. Okay. More cabbage to come. More cabbage to come. Okay, come on cabbage, grow for us. Okay, let me harvest some of these beautiful mustard greens. Okay. Look like when the yard man came and cut the grass, some of the grass blew over here on you guys. Got y'all looking a little dirty. That's all right. We'll wash y'all off real good. Okay, look at these beautiful big leaves. Yes. Okay, let me get busy harvesting you. A nice little harvest of mustard greens. Yes. Looking great. In here, just have a few. Still have some little small leaves on them that's going to continue to grow. But I need to get in this bed and clean it out. I think I'm going to put my corn back over here and grow again for spring. Nice harvest today of mustard greens and cabbage. Grown in Big Mama's garden. Yes. Looking great. Yes, you are.